Hi everybody, it's me, Greg. Today, in the next couple videos, I'm going to show you how to replace your diaphragm stock fuel pump with a 12-volt electronic fuel pump. Okay, so right now I've removed the gas hose that goes to the tank so I can show the parts a little bit better. What you'll do is take out this bolt and this bolt that connects it to the valve cover down here. You just remove those two bolts, remove the gas line. This is the vacuum tube. This is where the pump gets the power. You will take a pair of pliers, take that little hose clamp off, and then over here where this fuel filter is, this has a factory clamp on it that I can't get off, so you're going to cut this line that goes to the carburetor right flush there. You don't need to take these two bolts off. That'll open up the pump and show the diaphragm. So once you've cut here, taken these two nuts out, screws out, and undone the vacuum, you'll put this in your pocket, this little clamp, because you're going to use it later, and you'll take this whole assembly, okay, the filter, the hose, the thing, and put it in a bag and save it, because you may need it later down the line. Now to replace this, this is what you're going to need. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a 12-volt pump. This is a Mr. Gasket number 42S. The vacuum pump you took out runs at 2.5 psi, so we're looking at the psi. This is the smallest 12-volt pump made. It goes from 2.8 psi to 3.5 psi. If you can find one that doesn't go over 3.0 psi, that would be even better, but this is fine. We've used them. They work well. So this is the Mr. Gasket 42S. It comes with the pump, it comes with wires, and it comes with an inline fuel filter that you'll attach a little later. Okay? The next thing you'll need is a clamp to hold it on. Now, we're not going to use this whole clamp, but it is a 2-inch clamp that I got from AutoZone, and we're only going to use the U-bolt part. Okay? Now, when you look at this pump, it'll fit right up there. It's a 2-inch. It'll fit right in there. Unfortunately, it won't fit through those plastic holes. So you will have to take this pump and get a little drill and drill these holes out just a little bit, both of them, so that this clamp will now fit through there. You'll throw this part of the clamp, the bottom part, away. You don't need that, because the back of this pump right here is going to act as that part. You will need a 12-volt switch. Now, I've used a rocker switch because I like that little red piece there flips up, and you have to flip that up to turn the switch on. But I know, that way I know it's always on, and so when I get on and off the machine, it's real important that you turn it on before you start your engine, and you turn it off when you're done. It's a little more expensive switch, but you can use any 12-volt switch. You'll need an inline filter. That's a 30-amp filter max. Not a filter, I'm sorry, a fuse holder. You're going to use 5-amp fuses. Okay, the pump operates at 2 amps, but you want a 5-amp fuse, so it really doesn't matter what kind of fuse or inline fuse holder you get, just as long as it will handle 5-amp fuse. The fuel filter I told you that we'll be putting on is a second fuel filter in addition to the one it comes with. I got number FF516DL. It's a Duralast. The next thing you'll need is some hose clamps, small. Then I got this package of little plugs and caps to cap off. Remember when I was telling you, you'll cap off that vacuum tube when you take off the tube? Well, you don't have to buy the whole little kit that I got. These are all different sizes. They sell them individual sizes, so you can go down there. And you'll need a little kit with some wire in it and different wire skinners, that kind of thing, connections, and electrical tape. Okay, so for right now, what I'm going to do before the next video is I will take this off so I can show it to you. So like I said, I'll remove this little clamp, I'll take out these two nuts, I'll cut this hose right here, and I'll put that all in a plastic bag. I've already taken the gas line that goes to the gas tank and installed the filter. That's why that package was empty. You'll see that there's an arrow for flow that goes towards the carburetor. So I've simply just unscrewed that from the old vacuum pump put the new filter in, and when I cut this line here, I'll use one of those hose clamps that I just showed you, and I'll put this filter into here and clamp that on, and the top part will be done. So in our next video, I got to go and drill out that little base plate on the pump, and in my next video we'll show you how we mount the pump down on the bottom and connect it to where the gas tank goes. Thanks for watching, and look for the second video. Probably be in a couple days because I got to get out of here and there's a blizzard warning going on. Thanks. Bye.